Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix Fortnite install failed. An unknown error has occurred during installation of Fortnite and this error code. So to fix this problem, first off, completely close the Epic Games. Just click on this icon and just look for Epic Games, right click and click on exit. After that, go to your Windows search and just type Epic Games and right click on it and simply click on run as administrator. Then click on the yes option. Now after it is open, just go to the library and just find the Fortnite and click on it and just resume it and see if the problem is fixed or not. And as you can see, the download is started and my problem is fixed. Now if your problem is not fixed after this solution, the next solution that you can try is again completely close the Epic Game Launcher, then go to your Windows search and just type run and open it. And here just type percentage local app data percentage. After you type it, just hit the enter and look for Epic Game Launcher and open it. And go to saved and just right click on web cache and just delete this complete folder. So first I am pausing the download of Fortnite and then completely closing it. Now simply completely delete this folder and now restart your PC. After restarting your PC, see the problem is fixed or not. If your problem is still not fixed, the next solution that you can try is open up your C drive and go to the program files. Now look for Epic Games. Open it and simply completely delete the Fortnite game from here. After you delete Fortnite folder from Epic Games folder, simply restart your PC, then try to install the game and see the problem is fixed or not. I hope after this solution your problem is fixed, and if yes, consider liking this video and subscribing to the channel. And thanks for watching.